So you have heard the many findings that we have detected out of our studies and work in the past few weeks. And they will be detailed, of course, in the report of this mission that will be released later on. I would like to concentrate on some of our key conclusions from these findings. And we came here with two goals, two objectives. One was to try to get a better understanding of what happened at the beginning of the event in December 2019. This was the starting point for our work, but also the starting point of the initial outbreak. So we've focused on trying to understand what happened during that period and try to see if that period had a previous history. Could we move the history of the start of the outbreak further down the line in earlier weeks of 2019? And then in parallel, we also embarked on trying to understand how it happened. How did the virus emerge and at some point jumped and was introduced in the human population? So these were the two broad, large objectives we had, and all our studies and work and discussion and visits were trying to get better understanding of these two pictures. So in terms of understanding what happened in the early days in December 2019, did we change dramatically the picture we had beforehand? I don't think so. Did we improve our understanding? Did we add details to that story? Absolutely. And you heard some of the key findings from Professor Wuhan on this picture. All the work that has been done on the virus and trying to identify its origin continue to point towards a natural reservoir of this virus and similar viruses in bat population. But since Wuhan is not a city or an environment close to these bat environments, a direct jump from bats to the city of Wuhan is not very likely. And therefore, we have tried to find what other animal species were introduced and moving in and out of the city that could have potentially introduced or contribute to introduce the virus, in particular in the Wuhan market.